In case you missed it, 3 people have died after an outbreak caused by contaminated recalled eye drops. A report from the CDC shows more than 10 brands of artificial tears have been recalled, and the eye drops were contaminated with an aggressive bacteria. The infection spreads from poor hygiene, either due to dirty hands or medical equipment, and eye specialists say there are several ways to prevent infections.
When you put the eye drop inside your eye, do not touch the eyelashes or touch the eye itself. And when you're finished, close the eye drop bottle tightly to prevent infection.
And the doctor says if you are using eye drops and you notice your eyes becoming red, go see an eye doctor right away. And to further discuss, we have Dr. Greg Silverman joining us live. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Barbie. How are we?
I'm doing good. It's Monday. We're getting through Monday.
We're getting through Monday. We got through the weekend. I was working this weekend. So.
That's right. So was I. So what do we need to know?
Well, you need to know basically if these brands of eye drops, and I think what he said was exactly right, which is how to use eye drops correctly, which is if you see a cracked cap, or if you know that the thing has been opened, or it is an expired eye drops, make sure that you look and see when the eye drop has expired, and if it is, throw it away, get another one. I think it's important, if you're interested or if you have any other problems, go to the CDC website and they will show you what types have been recalled. But I'm pretty sure that most of the pharmacies that sell these things have taken them off the shelves.
Good tips there. I know that he mentioned whenever you are applying the eye drops, don't touch your eye with it.
Right.
And make sure your hands are always washed. So good hygiene is very important.
Make sure your eye, that you don't touch it. Make sure that the cap is okay. Make sure that you don't use it again. Generally, using from one person to another person is a better way of spreading this. And make sure that you wash your hands every time you touch your eyes. Even though you think it's your eyes, it's part of the skin, but it's not. They are more sensitive and they are more open to infection. So be careful with that.
What are some common symptoms of bacterial infection?
Well, I mean, luckily it's very rare. I mean, these are really, I think there's 75 people across the United States, of which several have lost their eye or lost their vision, and then several have died. So this is a very rare infection. It's called a Pseudomonas infection. You generally get this in the ICU in long-term patients who have been on ventilators. That's the type of infection it is. And so this was contaminated before it got to these people. But sometimes when you have certain bacterial infections, especially in the types of eye drops that don't have antibacterial properties, that's what you kind of got to watch for. And be aware, like you said, if there's redness, if you feel like there's something in your eye, if you notice that your vision is lost, go see somebody, stop using the eye drops or whatever it is you're doing to put in your eye, and go see somebody quickly.
Can the infection spread to other parts of your body?
Well, some of them can, yes. This one apparently did not. This one was really more of a localized type of infection, but some of them can. And so you got to be very careful. Certainly if you run a fever or start feeling weak or those types of things where you feel like there's something wrong, go see your physician. And
that is key. If you feel, and you do, because you know what feels normal, what doesn't.
You do.
So if you do feel like that, the first thing you need to do is, first of all, stop using the eye drop.
Right,
okay?
right.
And
stop doing what you're doing.
Stop doing that. And then go see your doctor. Dr. Silverman, always a pleasure to have you here on Mondays.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.